Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. As you can tell, it's a Mini ITX, and this one comes with 3 side panels on the side that are smoked. It's a tinted side panel. As you can tell, we got the Mini ITX motherboard with that nice liquid cooler, 16 gigs of RAM, and a terabyte NVMe solid state drive. Any hot air that is trying to get onto the processor, the liquid cooler will push it down. And we also have a fan right here that's pushing air out. So whatever it's condensing right there with heat, everything will be out of the case. If you have any questions on this build or any other computers, you can go to our website, and then you're going to have a tab at the top that says build a PC. You can select all of your components, and if you want to check in your PC for repairs, we also have that tab. You fill up all of this information right here, and whatever the parts that are missing, once you hit complete check-in, you get a thank you receipt message, and then all we have to do is drop in your computer to us, and then you'll be ready to go in about 3 days since we have everything in stock. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.